pound dollar remains in sideways. Is this a deeper correction or the start of a new impulsive wave? Before we get into the charts, I want to hear your view. Type bullish if you think the pound is about rally, or you type bearish if you think we are heading lower. By the way, my name is Peter Pearl, and I'm the founder of Pearl Markets. I've spent years trading and also helping traders on how to master both technical and fundamentals. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Elliott wave structure on pound USD lines up with key fundamental driving this pair right now. If you trade the pound dollar regularly, just let me know in the comment section. Drop yes if you trade it regularly, because I want to know the number of people who follow this pair closely, so that I will know the type of pairs to drop these videos, more of these videos on to help you trade. So as we dive in, the US dollar is under pressure after talk of possible government shutdown. And this weakness gives the pound USD some room to breathe. If you look at my Elliott wave chart, which I'm going to show you, it looks like now we are having a wave 4 triangle, after which there's going to be a start of a wave 5 impulsive wave. Then what do you think that if you look at the chart, do you think that this move is going to push beyond the 1.3600, or is just a fake breakout? Drop your target below. I want to know your target, where you are targeting, what do you think on these things, and I'll look through the comment section and pin the best predictions. And you also have to take note that the Fed may cut rates while the Bank of England stayed cautious on inflation, and this divergence adds fuel to the pound. But if you can, this particular thing can also trap traders. And if you want to understand this better, technically now, this is the daily time frame. We are looking at a big impulsive wave of a wave 1. We got a flat for a wave 2. Now the big wave 3 is ongoing. We are now tracking still a blue wave 1, which is giving us a 5-wave subdivision for us to get a blue wave 1 like this, similar to this particular one that we had here, So now we are looking forward for price to finish this particular impulsive wave. Now we are on the sideways with a 4-wave triangle of an A, B, C, D, E, for us to get this particular triangle. Then after which price is gonna move to the to wave 5. So how do we trade this particular week? If we look at the 4-hour time frame, this is the triangle that I am looking at currently. I'm gonna give you a quick alternatives on these things, how to trade it after the nice impulsive wave that we got on the pound USD. Nice impulsive wave we got on the pound USD. The pound USD, this is what we are expecting. This is what we are expecting on the triangle. So now we've seen an A, B, C, D, and E. We are waiting for the wave D and E. So just wait for price to give us more price action this week, because price is still on the sideways. So if we see this move, because we are anticipating more, something like this, then this sideways triangle will give us a perfect move after the wave D. So if you don't know how to trade triangles, just wait for the triangle to finish. Once the triangle finish, then your wave D, the break of your wave D structure, is going to be your trigger point. The break of your wave D structure is going to be your trigger point. But as it stands now, there is a way on the lower time frame we trade triangles. But if you are not very good in trading triangles, just wait. When price is on the sideways, it is not the best time to make money, because there's a high possibility you are going to be stopped out. So just wait, because these are the kind of impulses we are looking for. Not the sideways one, because very few people are able to trade these sideways. So just wait, because the market keeps on repeating itself. Once there is this impulsive wave, there's going to be a sideways like this. Once it's done, then another impulsive wave. So your plan should always to catch the impulsive wave so that you can ride them. You can ride those impulsive wave. Other than that, there is going to be a way that when you don't trade well, the market will move in your direction, but you'll be stopped out before it goes. So this is the triangle that we are tracking, and this particular week to there's a possibility of price moving downwards. And how would that scenario comes into play? It's going to come into play when the Fed cuts rates while the Bank of England stays cautious. So when that's happened, this trap is going to send this thing, the price, to the downward move. And there's a possibility if this thing moves downwards, or it has a deeper correction and moves downwards, this is the pattern that you should now. It's still going to be a wave 4 pattern, but this time there is a possibility of an ABC like this for a zigzag, or even possible flat for price to continue. But for this price action to really be in place, then there should be a break of the wave C. This is just an alternative count. I just want to point your attention to it. There should be a break of the wave C structure like this, but as it stands now, we are looking at the triangle to move to the upside, and that is what I am looking at with the legendary trade room. That is what we are looking at. So now still wait, track this particular triangle, wait for the correction to finish. If you don't know how to trade triangles, it's very simple. After the wave D and E finishes, you can wave. If you catch the first impulsive wave, there is a way you can enter. You can enter at the end of the wave E with your stop loss being below the wave C, like this, so that price you catch, you can ride the trade to it. But if you miss that one, there is also a way where you can buy on the break of the wave D. Is going to give you an impulsive wave with a correction, so that will be your wave 1 and wave 2 for you to ride this particular triangle. So that is what I'm looking at in wave 4. If you also have any alternatives, let me know your alternatives in the comment section, alternatives in the comment section, and it's going to be a very wonderful week. If there are other pairs you want me to analyze, just type them in the comment section. I'm gonna quickly look at them. So type what you want me to analyze in the comment section. So from the little that we've discussed right now, we've seen that the pound dollar is inside a corrective structure, and if we break low, we expect another wave 4 zigzag. But if it stays in the sideway to finish the triangle, that could spark a new wave 5 impulse to the upside, which is going to give us a very big move. And that is what that is our primary count. So now it is your turn. Where do you think the next big move lands? Comment your target in the zone, your target zone, and I'm going to pick the most accurate projection. If this breakdown gives you clarity, you hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube video. Share this video with one trader who thinks fundamentals don't matter. And if you also want to go deeper, join me inside the legendary trade room, where I teach traders how to merge Elliott wave, fundamentals, and discipline for lasting consistency. The link is below the comment section. Share the video. Stay patient, stay disciplined. I'm going to see you in the next one.